Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss why improving soil structure before planting trees is crucial. Healthy soil promotes better root development for trees to thrive. Good soil structure allows for proper water drainage and air circulation around the roots. This helps prevent waterlogged soil, which can lead to root rot. Healthy soil also provides essential nutrients for tree growth and development. Improved soil structure can increase the tree's resistance to disease and pests. Compacted soil restricts root growth and can suffocate the tree roots. Loose, well-structured soil allows roots to grow deep and spread wide for better stability. Aeration in well-structured soil promotes microbial activity, breaking down organic matter for nutrients. Proper soil structure ensures that tree roots have access to oxygen for respiration. Trees in healthy soil are more resistant to drought conditions. Soil compaction can prevent water infiltration and cause runoff, leading to erosion. Improving soil structure enhances the overall health and longevity of trees. Soil with good structure retains moisture for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent watering. Trees planted in healthy soil have better anchorage and are less likely to topple in storms. Soil structure affects the tree's ability to take up nutrients efficiently. Improving soil health can enhance carbon sequestration, helping combat climate change. Healthy soil supports a diverse ecosystem of organisms that benefit tree growth. Enhancing soil structure before planting trees can increase carbon storage in the soil. Trees planted in healthy soil are more resilient to extreme weather events. Healthy soil promotes mycorrhizal fungi associations, which aid in nutrient uptake for trees. Increasing soil organic matter can improve soil structure over time. Investing in soil health can lead to greater tree productivity and yield. Soil structure influences the tree's ability to access water in the soil profile. Poor soil structure can lead to surface runoff, carrying away valuable nutrients. Healthy soil promotes biodiversity, creating a more sustainable environment for trees. Trees planted in compacted soil may struggle to establish themselves and grow. Remember, improving soil structure before planting trees is key to their long-term success and health.